Hey guys, welcome back to Random and Proud. I just want to show you a little bit of what we're dealing with here in Ontario, Canada right now. Yesterday was a snowstorm, today's a snowstorm. Pretty good. It's a white mess. And it's still coming down. So, there hasn't been any magnet fishing going on. But what I will show you is some of the merchandise I ordered in, which is almost already sold out amongst friends. And it was my first order, so I just ordered a little bit, but I'll definitely have to put in another order. Other than that, I'll see what else I add to this video. Just put one out there and tell you guys how we're doing and holding up over here in Ontario, Canada. So I'll get back to you. Well, I'm all bundled up. I got my snow pants, and under there I got my thermals and double shirted and hat and this thing here to cover my face. It's pretty wicked out there. I'll show you the temperature. So that's outside. That's Fahrenheit. That's Celsius. Yep. It's not 5:28. Time's wrong, sorry. It's 4:30 p.m. But yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? So I'm headed over to my mom's and help her shovel, even though I'm not supposed to do it. She's not supposed to do it, but needs to be done. Somebody's got to do it. So we're headed out there, and well, I'm headed out there. Josephine should be done work soon. She'll be waiting warmly for me, and I'll get back to you on the walk. I guess I'll show you the walk. Okay guys, check it out. This is my lovely walk to my mom's. I don't know if you can hear me with this damn thing on my face here, but it's quite deep. There we go. My mom lives just down the road from me, thank God. I'm thinking I probably should have put a sweater on top too, but my legs are warm. Everything else is warm but my arms. Oh, it's hard to walk in it. Well, if that tractor is gonna clear the way for me, I'm taking it. So yeah, just to show you, our wintry mess. Hopefully this is the last of it, but probably not. Our winters are long here. Oh, I'll get walking. My phone's getting wet. So I'll get back to you. Okay guys, well, that took me a while to shovel at my mom's, and it's now, what time? Almost 7:30. Still coming down. You can see it's still blowing. Pretty brutal. Not easy to walk in. Who knows when it's gonna stop or how much we're gonna end up with. You can see the piles over there. I'll keep you guys posted. Fun storms in Ontario, Canada. It's really blowing. Clouds going by now. What a mess. Well, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so here's the business cards. The pen. It's a really nice pen too, it writes good. Here's the hat. I don't really like this style because I don't like that. I like the Velcro. So I'm ordering a different style, like kind of like this one. And the mug was a surprise to both of us because I thought it was just on one side. And I was like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And she's like, yeah, and it's so beautiful that it's on the other side. I had no idea. I didn't even see it. I was just so excited over how good it looked.